G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mazda CX-5 Max Sport, stock reference number 5419. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre twin turbo 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate has one small dent, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has one small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, manual handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, sat nav display, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.